Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy. So let's start our today's session. In our today's session we will study about energy. So in our yesterday's session I have taught about the work done and the power that I think you have got properly. So let's see here what is energy. So as we know that power is equals to work or energy upon time. Work done per unit time that we have studied, this is the power. Work done per unit time, this we say that this is a power. So that in place of work done W we can write there E. So as P is equals to W upon T, we know that. So in place of W we can write there E. So P is equals to E upon T. So that we get there E is equals to P into T. So we get the formula of energy E is equals to P into T. So let's talk about the unit of energy. If power is in watt and the time it is in hour, it is in hour, so what the unit becomes? In place of power we can write there watt, and in place of time we can put there hour. So unit that becomes watt hour. Is it clear? So E is equals to P into T, watt into hour. So the unit that becomes watt hour. Okay, so watt hour is the unit of electrical energy. Okay, it is not a commercial unit, it is only the unit of electrical energy. Now but the commercial unit that we have to use, that I am going to tell you. As a power is equals to 1 kilowatt, time is equals to 1 hour, so then the unit of power is kilowatt hour. In place of power we have to put kilowatt, and in place of time we have to put hour. So the unit that becomes kilowatt hour. So kilowatt hour is commercial unit of energy. This is the commercial unit of energy, and the conversion of 1 kilowatt hour into the joule, that I am going to tell. So you have to see, let us see. Suppose 1 kilowatt hour, that is equals to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. Clear? 1 kilowatt is equals to 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. So 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 watt. 1 kilowatt, that will be equal to 1000 watt, and 1 hour, that is equals to 60 into 60 seconds. Okay, so when you will get it 1000 into 60 into 60, that becomes 3600 seconds. So as we will multiply this, then we will get is 3612,345. So now if we are transferring the decimal from here to here, so we can write in this form 3.6 into 10 is to the power 6 joule. So here we have to understand 1 kilowatt hour, that is equals to 3.6 into 10 is to the power 6 joule. Is it clear? Okay, so this is the relation between kilowatt hour and in the joule. So whenever the question comes related about the energy, so these are to be answers are to be find out most probably in kilowatt hour, but when specifically it is to be mentioned, then find out the answer in joule. So whatever the answer will come, it should be multiplied with 3.6 into 10 is to the power 6, then it will convert into a joule. Okay, so I think you have got the terms which I have taught yesterday. One is to be power, then work done you have studied, relation with potential difference, and today we have studied energy. So once I am reminding all the things, P is equals to V into I, V is equals to W upon Q. Okay, now E is equals to P into T. So that unit of power, this is of watt or kilowatt, and the unit of V, that is to be joule per coulomb, or otherwise we write there that is of V, volt can be written. Now energy, this is to be of unit watt hour, or commercial unit, this is of kilowatt hour, that we have to know. Okay, so I think you all have got it, what is energy, what is power properly. Okay, and what is the relation with the work done. That's all for today's session.